Last shloka, you learnt about the Karagre Vaste Lakshmi, the shloka which we chant as soon as we wake up from the bed. So what does the next thing that we do after waking up from the bed? So we'll step down on the floor, right? So the next mantra is a Bhumi Stotra. So Bhumi means earth. This is the stotra that is for the earth, Mother Earth, showing our gratitude to the Mother Earth. Okay, so every day Mother Earth, she holds us, she carries us, she is the one who take care of us, right? So this is how we show our gratitude every day in the morning before placing our foot on the ground. So we'll pray Mother Earth that thank you for everything that you have given to us. Fine, so here is the mantra. Please, we'll start learning. Samudra, Samudra, Vasane, Vasane, Devi, Samudra Vasane Devi. Repeat this 2 to 3 times. Samudra Vasane Devi. Samudra Vasane Devi. Samudra is an ocean. Parvatastana. Parvatastana. Parvata means mountain. Parvatastana. Mandite. Mandite. Parvatastana mandite. Parvatastana mandite. Parvatastana mandite. Wonderful. Pause and keep repeating. Until then, you will feel comfortable with reciting. We'll tell completely now. Samudravasane Devi. Parvatastana mandite. Wonderful. We'll go for next one. Vishnu Patni. Vishnu. Again, the na has to touch, the tongue has to touch at the upper portion of your mouth while pronouncing the na. Vishnu Patni. Namastubhyam. Vishnu Patni. Namastubhyam. Padasparsham kshamasva me. Padasparsham kshamasva me. Pada is a foot, sparsha is a touch. Kshamasva me is please forgive me. So before I'm placing my foot on the ground, so I'm asking for the forgiveness with the Mother Earth. Fine. So this is the shloka. We'll recite. Vishnu Patni Namastubhyam. Bha. Stress the bha. Pada Sparsham Kshama Svame. Wonderful. So we'll repeat. Vishnu Patni Namastubhyam. Vishnu Patni Namastubhyam. Repeat 2 to 3 times. Yes. Next, once you're done, once you know this line, we'll go for the next one. Pada Sparsham Kshamasvame. 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 Wonderful. So we'll put together completely. Vishnu Patni Namastubhyam Padasparsham Kshamasvame. Vishnu Patni Namastubhyam Padasparsham Kshamasvame. Wonderful. So we'll tell the complete shloka now. Samudravasane Devi. Parvatastana mandite. Vishnu Patni Namastubhyam. Padasparsham Kshamasvame. Now let me increase the speed little more. Samudravasane devi parvatastana-mandite Vishnupatni namastubhyam padasparsham kshamaswami. If you are comfortable with this, if you are ready with this, we'll go for a little more speeder version. Samudravasane devi parvatastana-mandite Vishnupatni namastubhyam padasparsham kshamaswami. So this is the last version where you will speed up and you will increase your tune. You will tell little louder. So all the shlokas, I request you to chant little louder. Do not always chant inside. Do not do this. So it's always good whenever you chant mantra or the shloka, as I told in the beginning itself, it improves your breathing, it improves your lungs capacity basically, right? So chant little louder, as loud as possible. That's perfectly fine. So I hope this shloka you are fine with it, and keep practicing until and you just memorize it. I'm sorry for little background noise. Please keep practicing. So until and unless you will just say it without any support, without any script, without any reference of this video. Fine. So thank you so much. There is one more video. Next one we'll learn next shloka. Fine. Thank you.